What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a TPMS tire pressure monitoring system kit right here. Now, you may not need this kit if you have like a 2020, you guys. All right, you guys. So we are here with the 2010 Dodge Avenger. Now, this basically don't have no monitoring system, no nothing. It's basic, you guys. So right now we are going to use this monitoring system. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now it says in the description that the LCD screen adjusts the light depending on the sun. So it automatically adjusts by itself. We're going to take our beauty cover off, and it's solar powered. But if you don't have no power of the sun, you can USB Type-C, charge it up right there. All right, we have our instructions and all of that good stuff. All right, so I'll figure this out in a little bit. All right, so we have a sticky pad here. Okay, so you can stick it on the dash, in which I will do that. And now we have our caps right here. So you will take your caps off on your old one and we will put them on this one. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and hook these up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 of these. And then we have 5 and 6. This is basically simple. All right. Now, yes, if you are at the store, then guess what? Somebody can just take it off. So, but I don't know who wants to take tire valves off. So y'all can let me know. Maybe people want to take tire valves off. Who knows? It's weird people out there. We're going to take this one off, and then we're going to put number 2 on. Should I put 1 and 2 in the front? I'm going to make this one 3. I'm going to put 1 and 2 in the front. That way it's easier to monitor. So I got the odd numbers on the left side, and I'm going to have the even numbers on the right side. So we have our monitoring system, and we are going to put it in a good place. Now, they do give you, let's see. Oh, this is micro USB. I thought it was USB Type-C. Sorry, you guys. Micro USB, old school, but it'll do. So you take the double-sided tape off, put it right here, right on the bottom, just like that. Oh, that would be kind of cool to have it here, right in front of me, wouldn't it? Nice and customizable. And then we will start driving and look at it. All right, you guys. So I have to say that this thing is accurate. Now, the only thing is that I was trying to get this over here. Now I have to play with it a little bit more. Of course, you know, the instructions are a little bit hard to understand, but we're getting it. So this is my front tire, and I already checked it. I took it off, I checked the air pressure, and it is 29. So that's the front tire. That's the front right. This is the rear left, and this is the rear right. Okay. Now I was trying to get these over here, but I believe these two are 5 and 6. That's over here. So, and another good way to check out which one is what, you can actually unscrew it off of the valve, and it will beep. The valve that you unscrew will beep, and you'll see it flashing right here. So that's pretty cool. Just like how you see how these are flashing, that's because I don't have them hooked up. But those are the PSI that's in my tires right now. So that would be it, you guys. This is pretty cool. Once again, if you don't have a newer car, then, you know, grab yourself one of these, and that will be it. If you have a trailer, this is good to put on your trailer so you can have 2 more to use. So if your trailer tires need to be checked, you could check them right here. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.